My name Pradara Kasiwi from Management 20i. In every country, employment always has an impact on the country's economic problem. This is because unemployment causes people productivity and income to decline. An increase in the number of unemployed, problem and property will also tax revenue to decrease as well as cost social. From the background of the problem that I have mentioned, I take the title Why Unemployed Affect the Country's Economic Growth. First of all, I will explain about what is employment. Unemployed are people who have been classified in the labor force, who are actively looking for work and certain work level, but are unable to get the desired job. Unemployment is also defined as workers who have not had the opportunity to work but are looking for work, or people who are not looking for work because they feel it is impossible to get job. The factors that cause unemployment are: number 1, output drop. If output drop and total expenditure decrease, then the demand for labor is very low. This will lead to an increase in employment. Number 2, supply does not match work's demand. The imbalance between supply and demand for labor will result in higher employment. Number 3, change in technology. Technological change causes some jobs to be replaced by machine, software operator need. In other words, technological development have greatly reduced job opportunity for people who have difficulty adapting. Number 4, lacks of expertise or education. Lacks of skill is the biggest factor in the occurrence of unemployment in a country. This is because most people who do not have higher education or work skill are very difficult to get a job. Number 5, lack of equal distribution of job vacancies. Lack of equal distribution of work can be the cause of the high employment rate. Furthermore, the effect of employment on economic growth. From an economic point of view, unemployment will increase the property rate. Because the number of employed has an important their low economic income, while the cost of living continues. This will make them unable to be independent in production finally for the needs of the employed. And lastly, how to reduce employment rate. Number 1, open as many job opportunities as possible. With the increase in job vacancies, it will greatly reduce the employment rate. Number 2, increase the circulation of business capital. Increasing the circulation of business capital will make the number of works increase. Number 3, placing job seekers in place that match their ability. By placing workers in the right part and area will make workers enthusiastic and loyal to the company. Number 4, train job seekers to open their own business. Direction works to create their own business or work projects that match their passion and experience will make works more comfortable and perceived. Number 5, certification training for prospective works. Making certification training for prospective work will make their human resource optimal. From the material I present, the conclusion is that employment is a big problem for the economy of a country. The high level of employment will cause various problems in the country. For example, people with fair decreased economic growth become unstable, real national income is lower than potential income, and economic activity decline. Unemployment has a negative impact on economy. Therefore, the government needs to continue to work on this problem on employment.